Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to change the filters on the Mag-200 dust collector. So the primary two filters that you'll be checking and replacing most often are behind this shroud. To access them, we're going to remove the 3 thumb screws. If you have a brand new Mag-200 dust collector, you'll have screws in these places, and the thumb screws will be packaged with the instruction manual. You can either continue to use the screws or you can replace them out for the thumb screws, which are a little bit more convenient to take on and off. It's usually easier to start with the 2 side ones like I did and then take off the last top one. So inside the shroud, we have the final filter, which is part number 200-17. This is a MERV 13 rated filter. It will stop 0.3 to 1 micron particles. And it does have an air direction, and keep in mind the air flows out the bottom of this shroud, so do pay attention to which way you have the arrows pointing for the airflow when you put a new filter in the shroud. The next filter we'll talk about is the 200-15. This is a MERV 8 rated filter. This will stop 3 to 10 micron sized particles. And again, the thumb screws are packaged separately with the manual. These normally have screws in them, but again, if you like using a screw gun, you can certainly, or a driver I should say, you can always use that. So this panel simply just holds the filter in place. We'll take that off. And now you can see the filter. The last filter is inside the machine, so we'll move this to the side. And to take the bottom tray off, there are 2 catch clamps, one on each side. And then you can lift the machine off the tray. And this is where you would have dust and grit collected. All the heaviest particles will be in this tray, which you can then dump into a garbage receptacle. The last filter is inside the machine here. We'll turn it on its side. It is a metal mesh filter. This is designed to kill all the sparks and basically stop the sparks from getting at any of these other filters, and to break up the airflow and let all the heavy particulate drop into the tray. And there's a channel inside here that this simply slides into, and then you can put the dust collector back on top of the tray. And that concludes the filter changing for the Mag-200 dust collector. Thanks for watching.